Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn light mode on in Toggl track. So is your Toggl track stuck in dark mode? In this video, I'll show you how to switch to light mode in just a few simple steps. So start by opening Toggl track on your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now click on your profile at the bottom left. Tap on it. Now from here, select profile settings. Now, from your profile settings, what you can do is to click on account settings right here. Tap on it. Now, once you're on settings and preferences, so tap on appearance at the left side. Now, in here, specify how toggle tools will look on your device. So, click on the drop down and choose light. So, you'll see options like light, dark, and system default. So, click on light mode and your interface will instantly switch to a brighter theme. Now, some versions save automatically, but if there's a save button, click on it. If you're using the mobile app, you need to go to settings, look for theme, and select light mode. If you don't see it, it may follow your phone system theme. Now, if you can find light mode, try these fixes. Update the app, check system theme settings, log out, and log back in. Set it to system default if you want it to match your phone or computer automatically. And that's how to turn on light mode in Toggl. And if this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.